You're doing a good job, Matty.
Yep, doing a great job.
Yep. Awesome.
We believe in you.
Yep. We always knew you could do it.
You're doing it.
Yep. Another exciting adventure here on that little farm. We're repairing potholes. All right, so we've got some gravel in the pit, the washout area. Christian's stamping it down, and then we're gonna throw this stuff on the top of it. It's supposed to set up well, so we'll see. Christian has no consent, so all I can show is his feet. Just so everyone is aware, Christian is wearing Crocs.
Matty's the kind of person that needs 2 supervisors.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Oh wow, we're gonna have to bleep that one out. Oh, let me stand over here with you and we can supervise Christian.
Yeah. He's the kind of person that does well with 2 supervisors.
Yeah. How would you rate the quality of Christian's work at this point?
You got what you paid for.
Don't cut your leg open. Make a note of that in his evaluation. All right, so here's the stuff. As you can see, it's kind of, it looks like that Play-Doh stuff that.
What Play-Doh were you playing with as a kid?
No, that stuff that the sand stuff.
Sanding.
Magic sand, that's what I'm talking about. See, as a supervisor, I knew you would understand what I was saying. The plebeians over here.
Oh, you wanted my protective
It's my
eyewear
protective glasses.
that I was wearing for my eye protection.
Well, turn your eyeballs away, Matty, because it's fitting to get nasty. My observations are met with disdain from my one and only son. It does feel oddly satisfying to stand here and watch Christian work.
Do you want a super slow-mo one? It's like...
Why are you straight up on the asphalt? You're gonna ruin your Crocs.
Oh, I was gonna. Wait, lift that foot up again.
It's alright. Don't worry about it.
So, what's exciting about this little?
I guarantee you these will be perfectly fine.
You know who would not be perfectly fine with this? OSHA, because you're wearing open-toed
shoes
while you're working on the. You know, that's a supervisory issue, allowing him to work in an unsafe environment.
It is.
You can lead a horse to water, you can't make it drink.
Wow. Yep. The employees of the month right here, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, as a father, it brings me great joy to watch my children work.
Finally, after all those years, it pays off.
I gotta save them.
Okay, let me. So Matty just saved this little grasshopper who was stuck on me, and now he won't get off of Matty. He whoops you.
Go that way.
You're his friend. Come on, little buddy.
I'll be friends with something else.
Come on, little buddy. Go be friends somewhere. Boink.
There you go.
Yay!
He's one with nature.
You saved him. Congratulations, Matty.
Until he meets a bird.
What's a little tar amongst here?
What's a little tar?
Yeah, Matty, the whole video's ruined. It's ruined. You know what this says to me, son? Coal.
Unsatisfactory.
Who? Christian?
You know, in order to get the coal, you have to do something.
I have a foolproof strategy that's worked every day.
And what is that strategy, Matty, for the
I wait
camera?
For your other children to do something that spectacularly blows me out of the running for the coal. And they always do.
So, to add testimony to what Matty is discussing, what she's saying is technically true over the past, I don't know, 8 years. It's just, but one of these days, my children will hold it together and the coal will find its way.
They haven't for 7 years.
It's coming.
7.
It's coming. It's coming. Coal. Did he come back over here? For the second time, Matty is having to save little buddy. He loves you. He wants to be your friend. Good night, children. Thank you for including me in your fun. Enjoy your Crocs.